Welcome back, guys. In this video, we will continue with stage 2 of our compost process. So for a few weeks, we have been adding our waste and bran to the bin till it was filled. And then about 2 weeks ago, we sealed up the bin to allow the mixture to ferment. So now we can take our bin out to the garden to continue the process. So this is my garden compost area. We need to add our mixture to our garden compost for the next stage of composting. We need to make a trench to bury our mix for this soil. Factory part of the process to continue the complete breakdown of our waste. Once completely buried, and the fermented mix will rapidly break down into beautiful compost. So we continue with the cycle of kitchen waste to compost to keep a sustainable loop.
Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.
And check out my website at compostsecrets.com for more information.